Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, once again, it's midweek and I'm on a chicken binge. And I was sent an air fryer from a company, and not that I'm a big fan of air fryers, but I decided to do up some air-fried drumsticks. Really simple recipe, and the great thing is you can be done this in about half an hour with the air fryer. You can also do them in the oven too, but the air fryer works really well. But these drumsticks are so delicious. You simply have to make them, so let me share it with you and show you how to do it. Okay, first up, guys, we're going to grab up a Ziploc bag. This is a fairly large one, and make up our rub, starting with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you want a little sweeter, you can add more. About a teaspoon of salt. Entirely up to you, but I'm going to use about a teaspoon. A teaspoon or 2 of ground black pepper. You know me, I love my ground black pepper. About a teaspoon of dry mustard. This is totally optional. I just like the dry mustard. It gives that little bit of tanginess. Some onion powder, again about, I'd say another teaspoon. It's pretty easy, a teaspoon, a teaspoon, a teaspoon. Garlic powder, you know me, I just gotta have my garlic powder. Italiano seasoning, again another teaspoon or 2, entirely up to you. A teaspoon of smoked paprika. And about a quarter teaspoon of cayenne, just for that heat, again it's entirely up to you. And another tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to grab up my spoon and give this a quick mix around. Next up, I'm going to grab up about 6 chicken drumsticks. And we'll give these guys a little slice, just so that seasoning gets in there and they fry a little bit better. And I picked these drumsticks up on sale, guys, and they were really cheap. I mean, they were like, I don't know, I think I got 10 of them for about $12, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. So, well worthwhile shopping around. Then it's just a matter of grabbing our chicken up and slipping it into the bag. And you've probably guessed it by now, this is kind of like a shake and bake. And what we're going to do now is simply seal the bag up. Now it's just a matter of grabbing the bag and just kind of tossing that chicken around until it gets completely covered with that rub. And today's video, guys, has been brought to you by Typhur, and they sent me this air fryer, and I really like it. It's got your digital display on top, and then it has your settings. You can go from fries to wings, steak, bacon, frozen, and just air fry. And then you can roast, broil, toast, and I love this dehydrate. Haven't had a chance to try the dehydrate yet, but I'd love to try it. And of course, like I said before, your on-off and your display at the top. If we go inside, I just love the bed. Look how big that bed is. I mean, you could fit at least a dozen or so wings in there. I mean, you could cut a chicken in half, put a whole chicken in there, lots of drumsticks, whatever you like, some breasts, whatever, good steak, anything like that. Again, the company is Typhur, and just absolutely a great air fryer, and we're going to do this chicken up in the air fryer. It also has an app.
When you open up the app, there are a ton of delicious looking recipes. Scroll down, and one of my favorites is the pulled pork. The recipe comes complete with the information, settings, ingredients, etc., just about everything you'd ever want. Of course, I will leave all the information for this great air fryer along with a 10% discount code in the description section of the video.
Alrighty, let's open this up, and I'm going to grab up some of those drumsticks, and we are simply going to slip them in. And guys, this rub really smells good. Okay, so we got them placed something like this. Close up our bed. Now we're going to put this on air fry. We probably could go wings, but nah, I'm just going to go air fry. And we're going to go to 190 Celsius or 380 Fahrenheit. For about, let's start with 20 minutes. And away we go, so we'll see you in 20 minutes. So while we're air frying here, guys, the weather outside, I mean, it's about 21 today, and it's quite humid. I don't know what it's like down your way, but I got the garden going, a bunch of stuff planted. I'm going to do a video on that. And I want to do a video on my bird feeder. There is a video on Dave's network about it, but I want to do a new one because I'm going to have to find some way to keep the squirrels away still. So just drop me a line in the old comments section and let me know what the weather's like down your way and what's new with you. Okay, guys, after about 20 minutes, it says end, so we are going to pull these out and have a look. And don't these look so good? Wow, I'm impressed. So let us ever so carefully grab these guys up, and they come off there just lickety-split. They don't even stick. And we'll just plate these up. And I have to say, guys, I am impressed with this air fryer. It seems to work really well. Of course, you can do it in an oven too, same temperature for a little bit longer, but this seems to work really well. And don't these look good though? Wow. And there you have it, guys, our easiest and simplest and most yummy chicken drumsticks air-fried in our new Typhur Air-Fryer. All right, guys, let's grab one of these up and just look at this. Don't they look incredible? And they're not really dry at all. I mean, they're nice and moist, which is surprising for an air fryer. But I bet you these are going to be so good, and I love to look at them. Okay, so let's bite into these and see what we got. Doggies, guys. Are these ever tasty? They are so good. They're juicy. They're tender. I love that coating. Simply a must make. And if you do make them, leave us a comment because I love to read them. And most of all, subscribe and give us a like because it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time, of course. Fantastic drumsticks. You gotta make these. I've eaten these all day.